Hello buddies and welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can do a screenshot on your Vivo X80 Pro. You have two options to do a screenshot on this phone, and I'm going to start with the first option, and this is to press the button here, the lower side and the on and off button at the same time, and then it will make a screenshot as you can see here. Another way to make a screenshot on this phone is to use 3 fingers. I've never done this before, and when I found out this phone can do this, it was really cool. So what you're going to do is to take your 3 fingers and just slide them down real quick on the screen, and then you saw it made a screenshot. Now to review your screenshots, you can just go to your photos and there you have the screenshots. And now you can see I took some before to try it out, but these are our screenshots we just took. That's how you do screenshots on your Vivo X80 Pro. I hope you liked it. I hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.